What is going on, everybody? Crypto Headquarters here, and today I want to give you guys a video about a cryptocurrency called QTUM, what it is, how it's going to impact the real world, and what my price predictions are for 2018. So before I start this video, let me just let you guys know that none of the information in this video is investment or financial advice. This is just simply my personal opinion. Please do your own research and invest at your own risk. Additionally, I'm going to say, to be more transparent with you guys, that I have not been in my past few videos, that I am not invested in QTUM as of making this video. I'm simply just doing this video to let you guys know what this cryptocurrency is, so you guys can get a leg up in the race, or if you're just looking for information about great cryptocurrencies in the future, that this video could be of service for you. So, what is QTUM? Well, QTUM is a cryptocurrency that is focused on using and building decentralized applications for businesses in the real world. We're going to get to that later, but first off, I just want to talk about QTUM and its price and current place on CoinMarketCap. So right now, QTUM is sitting at $53.57, down 5% as of making this video, with a market cap of about 4 billion USD and a circulating supply of about 74 million QTUM, with a total supply of around 100 million. QTUM recently has seen a huge price surge from the $11–12 range around halfway through December, and now has consolidated about $50. Recently, we saw a huge price hike to around $100, but it came all the way back down to its $50 range. So we now have a new all-time high, and we will be able to test that later in the coming months as QTUM gets it gets further on their roadmap and keeps releasing more product information and just keeps improving their platform. QTUM is available on BitThumb, LBank, Binance, Bittrex. It's surprising me that most of the volume is on a website like BitThumb, and Binance and Bittrex are so far down the list, because usually if you check out other cryptocurrencies, you will see that Binance and Bittrex are usually number 1 and number 2, maybe number 3. They're definitely top 3, and here in QTUM, we're going to see that that is not the case. So that's definitely interesting, but check out these resources if you're looking to purchase QTUM and invest in this cryptocurrency. So let's go to what QTUM is. So QTUM has a nice website over here, and you can access this by going to their website, QTUM.org. And QTUM has a great team and a great project behind them. So they say that the blockchain has been made ready for business. That's their project. They want to make decentralized applications ready for the business world and practical. So their goal is facilitating the transition from legacy systems and waging organizations over the blockchain-based solutions that increase automation and decrease cost. What does that mean in a nutshell? That just basically means that they want to make the blockchain solution and decentralized applications available to businesses without going through all the hurdles of the Ethereum platform and the Bitcoin platform, which have proved unreliable for a lot of smart contract applications, especially when businesses and organizations want to get into that. Additionally, this could mean that a company may need to create its own cryptocurrency for what they may need, whether that's a good or a service, and QTUM believes that they are the solution for those companies that want to get into the blockchain space and may need a token or a coin, and they think that they have the platform for them. So on QTUM's website, they say they build decentralized applications that you can trust. So I'm going to scroll down here, and there is an introduction video. I looked through this introduction video, and a lot of the information that you're going to find in this video is actually from this, because QTUM does a nice job of really outlining in basic terms to people that want to invest or are interested in their cryptocurrency what QTUM is and what they bring to the table in basic terms, because I know a lot of cryptocurrency for a lot of newbies and even seasoned veterans, they can be somewhat hard to understand on a lot of different levels about what cryptocurrency is, what a blockchain is, what smart contracts are. So I definitely check out this video on their website in addition to mine if you guys are more interested. On the bottom here, we're going to have their roadmap. They have in Q2 oh, this is not their roadmap, my apologies, but they have that smart contracts that mean business. It just continues to talk about how their smart contract management is going to be used in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, and what these smart contracts are going to mean over the course of this cryptocurrency. And for those unfamiliar, I'm not sure where I got the simple explanation of what a smart contract was, but it's somewhere on the internet. Let me guys know if you know where I found this example so I can credit them in the description. But a smart contract is basically, the example that I like to give is that you're going to a vending machine and you want to pay with Bitcoin. You avoid the middleman and you just put your Bitcoin into the vending machine and you get out what you receive. The smart contract allows you to avoid a lawyer going in and signing a contract between you two to get something out of the vending machine. If you were going to rent something for somebody, let's say you rented an apartment and I was able to give you a key because you're renting from me. As soon as my key got to you, the smart contract would pay me, and then you would have access to the apartment complex. If the key never came from me to you, then the smart contract would automatically cancel the transaction, and I would receive the key back, and you would receive your money back. The smart contract basically just allows you to forgo a middleman, and it allows you to use your contracts. It's just basically like a real world contract, and the smart contract just looks over that without the use of a real live person. So in a nutshell, hopefully you understood what that smart contract, what a smart contract is and what that means. But this is what QTUM wants to revolutionize in a way. They have a mobile wallet and a mobile application so you can send and receive QTUM. Additionally, they have an account abstraction layer. That just has to do with scripting and what the what QTUM is on a more fundamental and technical level. And then they have cross-platform and backward compatibility. It says that QTUM is compatible with existing Ethereum contracts as well as Bitcoin gateways. Still maintained backward compatibility even if the system is updated. So additionally, if we're going to talk about cross-platform and backward compatibility, I just want to say that QTUM supports SegWit, which is a huge plus because SegWit is becoming kind of a new standard in the cryptocurrency space. The more cryptocurrencies that use SegWit, the faster the cryptocurrencies are, the faster the transactions are, and it's an easier just transition in and standard that new cryptocurrencies are held to. So it's awesome they support that for developers as well. Open source, anybody can contribute. The community is able to contribute to this, and that is a big plus as it's not a closed and private network. I just mentioned that it can run both on the Bitcoin and Ethereum based applications. And next, I just want to go to, they have a page on their website that says learn more about QTUM. So they have their general FAQ, which I am going to click on. And this is just basically what is QTUM at a very, very basic level. And this is, I think, a little harder to understand than what I've kind of showed you guys in this video. I think that QTUM, again, I'll just say it, it's a decentralized way for applications to be created by businesses in the real world. That's my definition of QTUM, and that's how I generally explain this cryptocurrency to people for those invested. So what makes this different? The QTUM projects offers many advantages to the smart contract development community, which I just outlined what a smart contract was. And this project is designed to implement the best parts of the Bitcoin and Ethereum projects into business-friendly blockchain. So basically, they see the problems with Ethereum and Bitcoin, scaling, transaction fees, just everything wrong with the network, and they are going to not only use both of them, but create a better version of both of them, utilizing both of those Bitcoin and Ethereum strengths. That's what QTUM wants to do, and that's how it's different. Additionally, I'm just going to scroll down. The crowd sale has already started. The token sale is already far from over. The team is awesome. The team is one of the best teams, in my opinion, in the cryptocurrency space. If I click this, we're going to see the team members. You guys can read through them, but this is an awesome team, and it's a superstar team that I really think can deliver on what they have said. You can go down, you can see the backers of QTUM and what they think about the platform. If you guys recognize any names, it's definitely a plus. And I'm going to go to the about, learn more about QTUM, because this is kind of where I just want to give you guys a resource to look into, and I think that this kind of PDF file or whatever this is on their website really explains what QTUM is a little bit better than the frequently asked questions. So QTUM, additionally, things I have not said is that decentralized government protocol allows the community to grow and prosper. So being decentralized on the blockchain network allows it to scale faster and grow and be bigger than a lot of other non-blockchain solutions to applications. Additionally, QTUM, some of the information that they presented in their video was three big things. They want to be modular, decentralized, and mobile. They want to bridge the gap between blockchain and the business world. This is an awesome project because I personally believe that business and blockchain have not fully merged, and in the recent news you can see that some businesses that want to adapt blockchain are adopting it, but they're not using it to the full effectiveness of blockchain because it hasn't been adopted by other people. So as long as the mainstream public has not adopted blockchain, early people who get into cryptocurrencies like QTUM and use their protocol are going to be light years ahead of those who come in 5 years from now and just get on QTUM, as opposed to those who just start and use and model their business in the blockchain right now. I'm going to scroll down. It shows their block time, their block size, the total coins, which I covered in the beginning of the video, and the inflation. The inflation is pretty good. It is a proof of stake coin, and a lot of proof of stake coins tend to have a 2 to 5% inflation rate, so that is definitely good being at 1%. So Again, it shows their angel backers, the additional features, the oracles, port smart contracts written for Ethereum. This is just kind of how it works, and it gives you smart contracts and applications more functionally and usability than the UTXO model. They have mobile-friendly and light wallets, which I covered early in the video. They have virtual machines using the Ethereum platform, and QTUM plans to adopt additional virtual machines in the future for smart contract uses. I'm going to go back to the QTUM page on CoinMarketCap, and I'm going to give you guys my prediction for this cryptocurrency. So as you guys can see, we've gone from the $8, $10 consolidation range for what seemed like months, and was months, to $53, and this is due to the sudden surge and influx of cash into the cryptocurrency market. But right now, especially after this huge extension and huge price ascension in December, QTUM has consolidated around $50. I would expect this consolidation to continue for a little bit until we push the $70 to $80 range and eventually that $103 range. Now, I'm not sure why it got such a massive pump. On what day was that here? That was around January 7th. It got a huge January 6th. It got that $100 push, and I don't know the reason behind that. But if there is another source of news or another reason that we could hit $100, QTUM could easily double in price if we get another source of news or whatever the reason was behind that first original push. But for the end of 2018, I could see this cryptocurrency, if it continues to improve in the market cap space and deliver on what they promise, I could see this cryptocurrency being at least $200 to $300. Now, this is my optimistic prediction, as a lot of my predictions are, but basically I just think because businesses will start to use this, and this has real world applications, already has somewhat of a physical product out there, I think that this cryptocurrency is here to stay, and we could, if everything goes well, see a top 10 cryptocurrency. But if I were being honest, I would say we're going to stay between the $10 and $20 range, and just continue to accumulate market cap with the rest of the market, and maybe see a $200 to $300 coin if we're being extremely optimistic. 2019 is a long ways away, so I really don't know where we could see this cryptocurrency go, but I think that it is definitely one with real world solutions, and that's why we will see only success from this cryptocurrency known as QTUM. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me that you guys are enjoying my content, that you guys want to keep up to date in my videos. I love doing this, and I love creating daily content for you guys, so hit the like button, comment down below what you guys think about QTUM, and if you guys just want to discuss or there's any other cryptocurrencies you guys want me to cover in a video. Again, I'm going to end the video with a disclaimer that none of the information presented in this video is investment or financial advice. Please invest at your own risk. This is just my personal opinion, and do your own research. Again, to be transparent, I'm going to let you guys know that I am not invested in QTUM as of making this video, and I'm just making this video for educational purposes to educate you guys on what QTUM is and what my personal opinion is on it. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and have a great day.